I bet you didn't know this about goats, but after hearing these facts, you'll never look at them the same way again. First off, goats have rectangular pupils, which means they can see 320 degrees around them without moving their heads. Talk about a panoramic view. And here's a kicker. Goats are incredible climbers. They can scale steep cliffs and even trees. Yes, trees. Ever seen a goat chilling up in the branches? Plus, they have a serious appetite for adventure, munching on everything from grass to, well, cardboard. Remember, they're not picky eaters. They're culinary explorers. So what do you think? Could a goat be your spirit animal? Drop a comment and let us know.